Hockey Namibia recently had trials scheduled for the Indo senior women's hockey team to select the squad that will represent Namibia at the Indo AFCON qualifier games. Senior women's hockey team coach Erwin Handura acknowledged that the trials were competitive as all players were focused on securing a place into the team.
So we also selected the women's outdoor squad, but we're just waiting for the union also to announce those teams. Yeah, so as you can see, we've been very busy. January was a very busy month for indoor hockey and for outdoor hockey. Like I said, under 21 teams, men and women, to go to the Junior World Cup qualifier. And then we had the senior men and women outdoor teams that will be going to the AFCON qualifier. This tournament will be scheduled now. It was initially in February in Ghana, in Zimbabwe, but now it's moved to the 1st and the 10th of May. From the 1st to the 10th, from the 1st to the 9th of May, it will be in Harare. So, yes, so we've been very busy, but it's good. I think it's good. Then we have the National Indoor League, which is starting around the 12th of February as well. The trials were quite very competitive because, the players knew already last year, because last year we never stopped. The Indo World Cup qualifier was scheduled for last year in June in South Africa. Then it was moved to September, so we kept on training. From September, it was moved. They told us it would be then this year. So we never stopped training, we just continued. And in December, we also had a training camp for indoor as well. And then when the players went off for like 3.5 weeks recess, they still had to run on their own. They still had to go to the biokinetics to do strength and conditioning. So we really never stopped from 2019 when we started. In October 2019 is when we started. So we trained the whole of 2020, and now we are 2021. We are still continuing training.
Handura further entrusted his youthful team to produce results at the Indo AFCON qualifiers, which are set to take place in Durban, South Africa in April.
I still have a good team. The team is very good. Our teams in Namibia are very young. So people were asking me, why are the Namibian women's hockey or men's team so young? Because the juniors, all these kids players that are in schools from 18 years and under, they play an average between 30 and 40 league games or competitive games per year. And then you have seniors that's playing maybe between 10 and 15 games per year. So it means a player that's playing more games will be in better condition, will be in a better mind state than a senior that's only playing club hockey without anything. Because these kids play school hockey, they play club hockey, the schools go on tour. You understand? They have schools competitions, schools tournaments. Now, you see, it means they play more. I looked again, we had the youngest team at the World Cup 2018. We were the only represented from Africa. My average age was 21.4. But we managed from the 6 games to win 2, we've drawn 2 and lost 2. So this time again, the team was still going to be young. Our team will always going to be young because of the younger players are more exposed to competitions than the senior players.
The final squad to represent Namibia at the AFCON indoor qualifiers in South Africa has been selected as Coach Handura awaits for the official announcement of the team from the union.